This is the This is the This is the This is the
Hey, this is Claire again on the program Say It Right. I can't tell you enough just how important it is to learn proper pronunciation. Let's look at a riddle. Try to guess who it is. I dig out tiny caves and store gold and silver in them. I also build bridges of silver and make crowns of gold. They're the smallest you could imagine. Sooner or later, everybody needs my help, yet many people are afraid to let me help them. Who am I? Any suggestions? Right, it's a dentist. In this riddle, we have a lot of sounds k and g. They seem to be easy, but it's important to pronounce them correctly. Because if you say, for example, grounds of cold, instead of crowns of gold, it won't have much sense. Working on your pronunciation will help you avoid such mistakes. So today, we will learn the pronunciation for the sounds k and g. Moving on, we'll start with a bit of theory. There are two sounds that are represented by velar consonants. In English, these are the sounds k and g. So let's look at each of them. To pronounce the sound k, bring your tongue back towards your throat, blocking the flow of air, then releasing a voiceless sound. Candy, cat. To make the sound g, your tongue should do the same thing. Move back towards your throat, blocking the air, but this time releasing with a voiced sound. Game, girl. Both these sounds are known as velar sounds because they involve the area at the back of your mouth called the velum. Now you know the facts, let's practice what you've learned. We'll start as we usually do. First, practice the sound in words and later in tongue twisters. K, k, k. Call, direction, back, kitten, desk, mask, well done. Now our second sound. G, g, g. Goose, English, egg, get, magnolia, agony. I have a quick question for you. Who can tell me the name of an English-speaking country that starts with the sound k? Have you got it? Can you remember? I'll give you a hint. It's my home country. Yes, that's right. It's Canada. And Canada Day is celebrated on July 1st. Typical events include lots of words with k and g sounds, like back bacon grilling, fireworks, and sparklers. It's really not so difficult to repeat those sounds. And now things get interesting. Warm up your tongues. We've got some exercises now. Kate quickly called candid questions. Gwen gave Graham great green glasses. Curiosity killed the cat. Wow, that was great. Success is a result of hard work and dedication. So don't give up. Let's go further. In this part of our program, I want to share some interesting homophones with you. Homophones are words that sound alike but have different meanings. Break, break. The first brake is a device for slowing or stopping a vehicle. It is often used in plural in English. You use brakes to stop your car. The second brake is a period of time when you stop working in order to rest, eat, etc. For example, I have a break in 5 minutes. Weak, weak. The first word weak means not physically strong, and the second week is a period of 7 consecutive days. So remember how these homophones are written and don't confuse them. Now for the last part of today's program. Our idiom for today is to knock on wood. It means to tap a wooden surface for good luck or to keep your luck after having mentioned some hope or dream aloud. According to one theory, this idiom originated in the Middle Ages when monks sold pieces of the cross on which Jesus was crucified. To touch one of them was supposed to bring good luck. So people touched the wood for good luck. And nowadays, we use this idiom. I can say, for example, that you are sure to be a great success in learning English pronunciation. To make it true, I knock on wood. Well now, see you next time on the program Say It Right. Goodbye.